BLT pasta salad recipe. A fast and easy delicious way to satisfy your hungry day. Ingredients: this is the best of all worlds, so let's eat up. 12 ounces corkscrew-shaped pasta or any pasta that you like. 1/2 cup milk. 12 ounces lean bacon. 3 medium-ripe tomatoes, cut into chunks. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh thyme. 1 clove garlic, minced. Kosher salt and freshly ground pepper. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. 1/4 cup sour cream. 4 tablespoons chopped chives or scallion greens. 5 heads Bibb lettuce, quartered, or 5 cups chopped romaine hearts. Directions: cook the pasta in a large pot of salted boiling water as the label directs. Drain and toss with the milk in a large bowl. Set aside. Meanwhile, cook the bacon in a large skillet over medium-high heat until crisp. Drain on paper towels. Discard all but 3 tablespoons drippings from the pan. Add the tomatoes, thyme and garlic to the pan and toss until warmed through. Season with salt and pepper. Crumble the bacon into bite-sized pieces. Set aside 1/4 cup for garnish. Toss the remaining bacon and the tomato mixture with the pasta. Mix the mayonnaise, sour cream and 3 tablespoons chives with the pasta until evenly combined. Season with salt and pepper. Add the lettuce. Toss again to coat. Garnish with the reserved bacon and the remaining 1 tablespoon chives. Serve at room temperature.